Our next focus is focus on the elements that we'll be using. So we have the first one, which is settings. So let me go to settings. So if I want to add some members, okay, so I'm inviting myself, so I can set it as either a member or an administrator as well, but let me just set it as invite a person as a member. Okay, so the invitation has been sent. So let's come back to our workspace. That is the same name I used, and then this is the link. Choose to edit and add and upload a logo for your company. Let me try and see. So I'll select YouTube, dark background, and then I'll select this one too for the light background, the same thing. Okay, so the logos have successfully been uploaded. So after that, I'm done. So I'll just close it. The next is the notification button. So the notification button brings you whatever updates that has been made on your on TOME. So that is all about the notification. Now we don't have any notification. So the recent also has to do with whatever you just created. So if I create a presentation right now, it will appear at the recent viewed. And our next button is personal. So for this one, if I create anything here, it wouldn't be accessible by the company I created here or the workspace I created here. So even within your organization, you can work on a personal presentation that you don't want anyone to have access to. So the next one is sharing with me. So the sharing with me is what people have shared with you. The next one is our workspace. This is our workspace, and whatever I create here will be accessible by like whoever I invite. And the delete, whenever you delete a template or a presentation, it lands here. The next one is the reference or an N. You have 50 credits to use. So whenever you create a template, the 50 credits is being reduced. So you might think of making economical use of these credits, or probably sending more referrals to your friends to be able to have more credits to use. The create button allows us to create our presentation. So when you click on the create button, it creates it gives you a template that allows you to enter whatever you want to do, and then it generates your presentation for you. Here is just a help area that help you to take a tour around the app.